Dear children, welcome grade 6. This is our Hindi 3L video, that is in a third language. In last video, we saw that some vowels and consonant, and before that I want to give us some same advice because of nowadays the coronavirus is spread severely. Be safe in your home, dear children. At the same time, you don't afraid of this corona. Understand? You be brave and be happy. And one more thing, you take a healthy food like grains. Already I told, like vegetables, fruits, like these fruits. And be safe in your home. Let's start our class. In last video, we saw that vowels and consonant, how to write that vowels below the line or above the line. You know very well. And also I will teach now once again the same vowels and consonant, just you see. And after we will see that in a 2 letters word, 3 letters words, that is called in Hindi Sabda CD, for step by step how to read 2 letters words, 3 letters words and 4 letters words. Vowels with consonant letters, not in a Bharat-kadi, that is in a Uyirmai Ezhuthukal in Tamil solvaliya. So நம்ம இன்னும் அதை பார்க்கல. So the last lesson, last video we saw only vowels and consonant. So in this video we saw 2 letters and 3 letters, and before that we want revise one. We want to revise what? Swar and vowels. Listen very carefully. Swar. Swar means what? Vowels. What is that? Vowels. In Tamil, உயிரெழுத்துக்கள். You know Tamil உயிரெழுத்துக்கள் in a, like that. In a vowels in English, you know, that is A, E, I, O, U. So you see in a Hindi, vowels very easy. Ma, again and again I say, when you start writing, you keep the finger on the line and start right from below the line, not the above the line. Understand? Now you see the first letter. See where I keep my hand and finger. See in below the line. First letter A. Second letter A. E. E. U. Ooh. Long sound, short sound. Next one, re. This letter has 2 sound. In a previous video also I told, in a vowels this letter sound is re. But in come within a consonant, for example, you know the symbol, hereafter I will teach the each and every letter has a symbol. A matra, E matra, U matra, like that. So this letter also has symbol like a C in below the letter. For example, Ka is there, no? That re matra symbol like this. But here the pronouns of this consonant with the vowels, how do we will pronounce? Cru. That letter make the sound cru, ikru, that is cru. And you see cha letter, ru matra, re matra, the pronouns of this letter chru. So in a separate the vowel sound is re, but when they mingled with an aki matra or consonant along with the sound make it ru, that is chru, tru, cru, like that. Understand? So in vowels, how to read this pronouns of this letter? Re, not ru. Re. Understand? And re, A, I. Next one, A, I. Next letter what? Can you guess and you try to say the letters? O. Yeah. O. Au. Ma, already in the last video I said some mistakes you are making while writing time. What are the mistakes? That is matra you write in opposite side. That is wrong. You always put this side. Au, a, e, u, re, a, I, o, au, aha. In a last video already I told the vowels letters are in 11 letters, but these two letters are dotted letters, so along with it is not in considered in a vowels. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Au, आ से au तक वर्णमाला में हिंदी स्वर का 11 अक्षर है. 11 letters in a Hindi vowels. These two letters is considered in dotted letters, so it is not in a vowels. And next one, consonant. What are they? Vyanjan. Vyanjan means consonant. Just I revise this one for reading. See the one by one. First ka varga. Next one cha varga. Ta varga. Ta varga. Ta varga. See the first letter straight standing line and put like this ka. Next one kha, ha sound. Kha. Next ga, like pronounce ga. Next one gha. And next nga. In a Tamil this one. And English letter I want to write for your identification. First this one a, that is in a sound a. A, that is double A, A. E sound in a I letter or E letter. And E, double E. U sound U. And U, double O, U. This is for your identification, ma. Re. And next one, A. That is in a long sound. In a Tamil, you know, A. O. But in a Hindi, only one A, that is long sound A. And I. Next one. O. Au. Aha. Is it clear? This is for your identification in English letter. And now consonant Vyanjan ka, that is K-A ka. Next K-H-A kha. K-H-A kha. Next G-A ga. G-H-A gha. Nya. And next cha. Cha word. You see where you start writing this cha letter in some space, you leave and write here one sleeping line and put like this cha. Maximum students, what you are doing while writing time, this line you write in on the line, so that is wrong. You write like this cha. Next cha, ja, jha, nya. This one Tamil in nya. And next ta, ta ta, ta ta, da da, da da. Next na. Okay na? Tamil moonu suli na. And tatta line after tatta line. Ta, tha, ha you add. Ta, tha, the, dha, and na. This one also na na, but in a Tamil na and rendu suli na. Now papa line. Pa, ha, ipa, ha, ha, ba, bha, and ma. Is it clear? Now, you want in English letter? No, because it will very what I am telling. Romba question ruko, so no need to write here. I am. Use just to listen. Ka, K-A, ka, K-H-A, kha, G-A, ga, G-H-A, gha, nya, ma in Tamil. Cha, C-H-A, cha, C-H-H-A, cha, J-A, ja, J-H-A, ja, nya. Next one, ta. This letter ta and ta, the differentiate of two letters, between two letters, how? The ta letter is tongue in upside, ta, and the ta is ta, ta, ta in Tamil, that is like that, the tongue come out, outside from your mouth. So you see, be carefully, ta, T-A, ta, T-T-A, tha, da, D-A, da, D-D-A, dha, na, and ta. நாக்குனால வெளியில தள்ளி சொல்லணும். தா, T-H-A, தா, T-H-H-A, tha, excuse me, D-H-A, da, D-H-H-A, dha, na. Next one, pa, P-A, pa, P-H-A, pa. Ma, this letter sometimes in a dotted letter, see here one dotted having in a printing, that is fa, F-A, fa. Understand? This one P-H-A, pa, B-A, ba, B-H-A, ba, ma. And the next ya, ra, la, ba. See, ya, ra, la, ba. And next one, sha, sha, ha. Sha. This is S-H-A, sha. S-H-H-A, sha. S-A, sa. And next one, ha. The last one, iksha, itra, ignya, sra. See. Iksha, itra, and igya, sra. Is it clear? So these letters are already we saw in the last video. Now we will learn what? 2 letters word and 3 letters word, how to pronounce. See very carefully. You know very well this a, I, u, u. First I take first letter. What is that? What is that? Yeah, a. And for example, you know the baba line or kaga line, you see. I take this ka letter. How to read? A, ka. Ak. That letters, the ending letters, the 2 letters, these words are 2 letters words. The last sound is ka, but it considered in a meyeluthu sound, the semi-consonant sound, ik. A, ka, ak. The next one. What letter this? Do you remember? Yes, correct. A. And this letter? Ba. What is that sound? A, ba, ab. A, ba, ab. You see, we want to say the full sound of this letter, ba letter. But when you try to say that ba sound, it considered in a semi-consonant sound, ib. Some students were making some mistake while reading time. Ib, ab, ak, ak. Not like that. So you say the full sound of the letters. Ka, ak. This is the method of for reading two letters words. Understand? Ka, ak. Ba, ab. But what do you do in a reading time? Ib, ab, ik, ak. It is not a correct method. The correct method of two letters words ka, ak, ba, ab. And the next word, vowels. What is that? Can you try and read, ma? Yeah. The next letter. You know this? Ja. Ja, aj. Understand? Now I take a vowels next to vowels. E. What letter? E. And E, the same first consonant ka. E, ka, ik. And next to vowels what? E. Why I am giving here one by one in order wise? Because then only you know to read in an easy way. So I will revise here like a order wise in a vowels. Next one. E, the second consonant. Ka, ik. Understand? Now next to vowels what? U. U. This letter ta. How to read? U, ta, ut. Next one. Oo. Oo. What is this? Na. Oon. Next one. Re matra. See. Re. Na. Rin. Next one. A, I is not there. Some A sound. A. Ka. Ek. I, na, I. And next one, O. O, sa, os. Next, au. Au, ra. Au. Enough that. In a bindu letters, the dotted letters making some sound. In hereafter, in a further video, I will teach. First, you read the two letters words like this. Once again, I reading practice giving for this video. A, ka, ak. Ma, again and again I tell the full sound, the last two in this two letters word. The last sound you say full sound. Ka, na, ka, dan, ta. Ba, ba, ta, ta. But you don't make reading time in a semi-consonant. In the end of the sound is a, ka, ak. Read like that. A, ba, ab. When you start reading, you say full sound. Then you say along to the two letter words how to read. In a make up the second letter make it a, what is in a semi-consonant sound. A, ba, ab, a, ja, aj, I, ka, ik, I, ka, ik. This is ka sound. I, ka, ik. U, ta, ut. U, na, un. Ri, na, rin. Ye, ka, ek. I, na, ain. O, sa, os. Au, ra, au. Is it clear how to read this one? You do daily give practice, ma. First you thorough the consonant and vowels. Then only you identify the letters. You will give your own test identification, dictation letters. When you are start reading this consonant, how to read, how to write ka, k, ka, g, a, ga, Do you remember again and again? Then only you read the 2 letters words and hereafter 3 letters words. Understand? So once again I want to read this letter. These all are 2 letters words and so many 2 letters words are there. See. In another consonant. So the first letter all vowels. Do you know that? And next one I take that consonant one by one. First letter what? Ka. What is that? Ka. This letter la. Ka, la, kal. And next consonant what? Kha. Kha, la. The same. Khag. And next, kal. And khag word also is there. See. Ka, kha. The ha sound. Kha. Ga. Khag. How to read this letter? This words kha, ga, khag. The ha sound come from your mouth. Kha. Excuse me. Kha, ga, khag. And next one. This ga. Ga, ja, gaj. Light sound. Ga, ja, gaj. And next letter. Gha, ra, ghar. Next consonant cha varga. See. Cha, la, chal. Cha, la, chal. Next. Cha. The same. La, chal. And next one. Ja. Ja, la, jal. Next letter. This one how to write? I get some mistake. See. Cha, write like that. See the sleeping lines in the middle of this letter. So now it is correct. Chal. Understand? Jal after ja. Ja. This is jha. Jha. Ra. Jhar. What is that? Jar. Now next one. Ta. La. Tal. And another word. Tha. Ga. Tag. Da. Ra. Dar. Da. Ka. Dhak. And next. Ta. Ta. Ra. Tar. Tha. La. Thal. Da. Ba. Dab. And dha. Na. Dan. Ma, these letters all for your reading practice, so you listen very carefully and read. Dha. Na. Dhan. And next one. Na. Na. La. Nal. Next. Pa. La. Pal. Fa. La. Fal. Here one dot is there, no? Fal you read like that. Or as hal. Like that. And next one. Ba. Sa. Bus. And next. Bha. Ra. Bhar. Ma. Na. Man. Enough. First, once again, read. A. Ka. Ak. A. Ba. Ab. आजा आज, इका इक, ईख ईख. Now uta ut, una un, rina rin, eka ek, aina ain, osa os, aura aur. This one two types we have to read here. Run or rin, that is in a sound should be changed in a very little. Run, that is not rin, run. What is that? Run. Ain, sorry, eka ek, aina ain, osa os, aura aur, kala kal, khala khal, khaga khag, gaja gaj, khara gar, chala chal, chala chal, jala jal, jhara jhar, tala tal, thaga thag, excuse me, dara dar, dhaka dak, tara tar, thala thal, daba dab, dhana dhan, nala nal, pala pal, phala phal, basa bas, bhara bhar, mana man. Is it clear? Once again I read the consonant letters only. See, because already read 1, 2 or 3 times these vowels, beginning vowel sound. You listen very carefully these two letter words. Ka la kal, kha la khal, kha ga khag, ga ja gaj, gha ra gar. Next, cha la chal, cha la chal, ja la jal, jha ra jhar, ta la tal, tha ga tag, da ra dar, dha ka dak, ta ra tar, tha la thal, da ba dab, dha na dhan, na la nal, pa la pal, pha la phal, ba sa bas, bha ra bar, ma na man. Ma, already I tell in Tamil, this letter sound should be made in a மெய்யெழுத்து sound, the last two last letters. In அதாவது இரண்டு எழுத்து சொற்கள்ல வந்து நம்ம அந்த லாஸ்ட் சவுண்ட் சொல்லும் போது ஃபுல் சவுண்ட் சொல்லணும். இப்போ ரானா ரா, லானா லா, ஜானா ஜா. பட் ரீடிங் சொல்லும்போது இது வந்து என்னவா மாறிடும், மெய்யெழுத்து சவுண்டா மாறும். இது வந்து மைண்ட்ல நம்ம செட் பண்ணிக்கணும். ஏன் why I am telling here no, in hereafter we are going to read 3 letter words and 4 letter words. So there are some rules. So that's why I am telling here. Is it clear? Now the la, you say the full sound of this letter, but it considered in a reading it is semi-consonant. This rules in only 2 letters words. Understand? Ma, 2 letters words are not over. Some more 2 letter words are there remaining. We will see now. The next ya, you know that ya letter, ya, sha, yash. Next one, ra, sha, rush, or Ra, na, run. Next. La, da, lad. Va, na, one. Not one, one. Next. Sha, ka, shak. The last one. Ha, ta, hut. Now you see here one symbol like put here. This is called halantar. But in hereafter in another video, in next video, I will teach this sound, how to pronounce that in a semi-consonant sound. First you listen the one more time this one. Ya, sha, yash, ra, sa, rush, ra, na, run, la, da, lad, va, na, one, sha, ka, shak, ha, ta, hut. Again and again you will give a more practice, then only you read these two letters words. First you read thoroughly vowels and consonant, then you try to read these two letters words. The next one, three letter words. See, these are two letter words. Now three letter words. The first one, na, ra, ma. Naram. Ma, I told no, these two letters, the last sound you should say the full sound. Then it considered in reading time semi-consonant sound. But here you see the rules. Na, ra, the full sound. Ma, the last sound it considered in a semi-consonant sound. So, naram, na, ra. Now you understand why I am telling here full sound. Na sonna illama. ஏன் இங்கே ஃபுல் லெட்டர் சொல்லணும்னு, பிகாஸ் நீங்கள் வந்து இந்த இடத்துல ஹாஃப் லெட்டர் சவுண்டு சொல்லியிருந்தா ஈக்கா ஈக்கு இக்கு ஈக்கு ஈக்கு ஊ இட்டு ஊட் அப்படி சொல்லியிருந்தா இங்கேயும் என்ன ப்ராக்டிஸ் சொன்னால் நான் மா நர்ம. ஸோ தட் இஸ் ராங். ஸோ when reading time in a two letters words you give a practice full sound. When you spell the letters E, ka, eek like this, not a e, ik, eek. This is wrong because when we read a three letters words, that in a rule some changes. The center letter na, ra, the full sound na, ra, ma. The third letter is considered in a semi-consonant sound. Now it's clear. Na, ra, ma, naram. When you read in நான் சொன்ன மாதிரி நீங்கள் இதை வந்து ஹாஃப் லெட்டராக படிக்கும்போதே சொல்லியிருந்தா இந்த இடத்துல நீங்கள் மிஸ்டேக் பண்ணுவீங்க. ஸோ அதனால தான் நான் ஃபுல் சவுண்டு சொல்லி படிக்க சொல்கிறது. நா, ரா, மா, நரம். அண்ட் நெக்ஸ்ட் ஔ, ஷா, தா, औषध. शा, का, ला, शकल. रा, सा, दा, रसद. मा, ग, रा, मगर. ग, रा, मा, गरम. सा, रा, ला, सरल. मा, हा, ला, महल. Now जा, गा, ता, जगत. मा, हा, का, महक. ना, जा, ra, nazar. And you see here one dotted. I forgot that one teaching. See, you listen here. This is ha. P-H-A pa. But here one daughter is same that is sound is F-A fa. And this letter ja. J-A ja. What is this letter? J-A ja. That in daughter letters, how do you read? Za. Z-A za. Is it clear? That one dot make a sound differently. Without dot, this is in a P-H-A ha. And this one without daughter, without dot, J-A ja. But when a dot is there, that sound should be changed. How? F-A fa, Z-A za. Is it clear? You see, now here dot is there. So, na, za, ra, nazar. And next one. Ga, ra, la, garal. See, here also dotted. Fa, fa, sa, la, fasal. And la, ga, na, lagan. Au, ra, ta, aurat. Ka, la, sha, kalash. Ra, sa, ma, rasam. Sa, da, ka, sadak. And next. Sha, ha, ra, shahar. Na, ma, ka, namak. Cha, ha, la, chakal. Ja, la, na, jalan. Sa, ma, ja, samaj. Now once again I give a reading practice. You listen very carefully. Na, ra, ma, naram. Au, sha, da, aushad. Sha, ka, la, shakal. Ra, sa, da, rasad. Ma, ga, ra, magar. Ga, ra, ma, garam. Sa, ra, la, saral. Ma, ha, la, mahal. In this 3-letter words, the last third letter it considered in a semi-consonant sound. Now it's clear the difference between 2 letters and 3 letters. I hope you understood that now. Ja, ga, ta, jagat. Ma, ha, ka, mahak. Na, za, ra, nazar. Ga, ra, la, garal. Fa, sa, la, fasal. La, ga, na, lagan. Au, ra, ta, aurat. Ka, la, sha, kalash. Ra, sa, ma, rasam. Sa, da, ka, sadak. Sha, ha, ra, shahar. Na, ma, ka, namak. Cha, ha, la, chahal. Ja, la, na, jalan. Sa, ma, ja, samaj. Ma, you give again and again. I tell the same thing. You give a more practice. First reading practice is must. Then identification of the letters also is very must. First you read thoroughly vowels and consonant. Then you try to read these 2 letters and 3 letters words. At the same time, these words all are having the meanings. But in hereafter, I will teach the each and every word's meaning. You don't worry about this. First, we want to what? Reading practice is must in a third language. Then we will read in a meanings for each and every word. Is it clear? I hope you understood these 2 letters and 3 letters words and vowels and consonant. In the next class, we will see in a 4 letters words how to read and semi-consonant. That is in the Tamil மெய் எழுத்துக்கள். I will teach the next video. Be safe in your home, my dear children. Thank you.